What a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Superb goal!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
A pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Cristiano Ronaldo is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Barcelona trail at this early stage. How will they respond? It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Mbappe just brushed off the ball there.
Mbappe really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Cafu gets it back. Mbappe was pulsing down that left-hand side. That intervention was very necessary. Messi. Alaba tries to get it forward quickly. Galatasaray scored early, of course, and the score is 1-0. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. Cafu drives it forward. Vieira, who does have an assist to his name. And it's Davis. He's got options out wide. And he's cut it out. Hoists it forward. Dembele. And here's Dembele. He gets past his man. Danilo Pereira. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Looking for space out wide. Has a pop! Goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Galatasaray. And we've reached half-time. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Galatasaray go in at half-time on a comfortable 2-goal cushion. And we're already back underway here. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. Going through. He's come through and he's had a quick look inside. Top save! In it goes! The second half sparks straight into life. Just so calm under pressure.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as an eel the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of, now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Well, scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
Can't get the better of his opposite number.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up.
Mbappe! He's got away with one there.
Really got in the face of his opponent to set it up. It's great grafting.
Mbappe. So 2-1 now, and things have got a whole lot more enthralling here.
Yeah, this is a real psychological test now that will tell us whether one side buckles and the other kicks on.
João Moutinho plays it out to the wing. Foot in. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick.
This is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
This isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Gets wrestled off the ball. He's through. Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's searching. Oh, shooting chance! He scored!
Galatasaray are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heavy.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Look, it's a whole different ball game now, Peter, and it's a test of how they manage affairs from here.
He's through. Mbappe! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
João Moutinho. And it's Beckham. And that's sprayed out wide. Alaba. Who's got the final touch there? Goal kick's been given. And it's played forward. De Bruyne. Vieira. Cafu. Vieira. Rafael Varane. Davis. Back to the keeper and go again. Van Dijk. Ter Stegen. Rafael Varane. Vieira. Ter Stegen. Time added on will be 2 minutes. Rafael Varane. And the referee brings it to a close. Galatasaray did it. Terrific team effort to satisfy both the boss and the fans. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Galatasaray certainly ran a perfect race from start to finish. Out of the blocks quickly, they got themselves in front, and they just didn't look back.
And that's it from us. Many thanks go to Jim Beglin, and goodbye from us.